Hey guys, John here from Kraus. Today, I will show you how to install a Kraus faucet with QuickDock Technology. For this video, we will be using this Oletto single-handle commercial-style faucet, but you can use these instructions for any Kraus faucet with QuickDock Technology. QuickDock Technology makes installation super easy and fast, saving you time and frustration. Within a matter of minutes, you'll be able to install a faucet that makes your kitchen absolutely shine. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need silicone caulk, Teflon pipe tape, a Phillips screwdriver, and a wrench. Start by turning off your hot and cold water supplies. Once you've done that, turn on your faucet and release any remaining pressure in the lines. Using a Crescent wrench, loosen the nuts on the water lines. Once loosened, spin them free. It will be helpful to have a bucket or a bowl handy to catch any water that may leak out of these lines. Once the lines are loosened, go ahead and remove your faucet. You will need to install this deck and putty plate if your sink has 3 holes, like we do here. If your sink only has 1 faucet hole, you can skip this step. To install the deck and the putty plate, place the putty plate in the deck and apply a bead of silicone along the outside edge of the putty plate. Once you've done that, place the putty plate and deck on top, with the middle hole aligning with the hole in the deck. Most faucet installations require you to crawl underneath your sink, usually on your back with your hands in dark, cramped places. This mechanism is the reason why you don't have to do that. Kraus QuickDock Technology allows you to install your entire faucet from above the sink. Let me show you how to do that. It's now time to install your QuickDock mechanism. To prepare your QuickDock mechanism for installation, rotate these half-moon shaped nuts inward. Once you've done that, gently place the QuickDock mechanism into the faucet hole. Make sure the word front is aligned towards you. With the QuickDock assembly placed in the faucet hole, use the Allen key to tighten these 2 screws. Turn the Allen key sideways to make these screws snug. It is now time to feed your faucet hoses through the QuickDock assembly. The sprayer hose, which is the longest hose, will be fed through the small hole in the assembly. All other hoses will be fed through the large hole in the assembly. It's important to note that the faucet body has a set screw that needs to be loosened before installing the faucet into the QuickDock base. Once you've done that, go ahead and install your lines. Align the arrow on the faucet body with the grooves of the Quick Connect assembly. The logos should align. While firmly grasping the faucet body, use the 2.5mm hex wrench included with the faucet packaging to tighten the set screw. Tighten the set screw until it's snug. Next, install the water lines to your new faucet. To start, apply Teflon tape to the threads of the shutoff valves as we've done here. It's best if you apply the Teflon tape in a clockwise direction. Next, install your water lines. Blue is cold, which typically attaches to the right shutoff valve. Red, which is hot, usually attaches to the left shutoff valve. Once you've tightened these by hand, use a Crescent wrench to tighten them until snug. Just a quick note about Kraus water lines. All Kraus faucets come with pre-attached water lines, saving you time and money. Additionally, these water lines are made from braided nylon, which is far more resistant to corrosion than steel. Lastly, these water lines come with pre-installed dome washers, which filter out debris from your water, keeping your faucet flowing smoothly. Now it's time to attach the sprayer hose. We'll use this quick connect assembly to do that. The white end of the quick connect will attach to the brass end of the supply hose. Push the supply hose into the quick connect until you hear a snap. The arrow should be pointing up on the assembly. Next, attach the sprayer hose into the quick connect assembly. Once your sprayer hose is connected, attach the weights to the designated mark on the hose. Allow the hose to hang freely. Once you've done that, turn on your water. Just a quick word about sprayer weights. Most weights require you to fuss with tools and screws, just adding to the installation time. However, Kraus sprayer weights can be installed by simply pressing a button. Lastly, flush your faucet and check for leaks. That's it, your kitchen's ready to go. All Oletto faucets have reach technology with swivel adapters that allow you to easily maneuver around the sink. Additionally, these faucets are available in spot-free stainless steel, resisting fingerprints and water spots. Lastly, with QuickDock Technology, you'll be able to transform your kitchen in minutes. If you run into any troubles, do not hesitate to reach out to Kraus customer service, either by phone or at kraususa.com. Thanks for watching.